Very good evening, and I thank Business World for giving me this opportunity. So, coronavirus pandemic has caused havoc for the industries across the world. The situation has cast an unprecedented cloud over the credit quality outlook for India Inc., which had in fact already been suffering from an economic slowdown before the pandemic hit us. For the auto sector, the lockdown amid COVID-19 has led to suspension of production, distribution, and sales across categories, impacting and surpassing the overall industry growth. My sense is that the two-wheeler sales could plunge by 5 million units at the end of financial year 2021 from its peak of about 21 million. We, on the other hand, in the last financial year, have been the only two-wheeler manufacturer to have registered a marginal growth, and this is despite the fact that the last 8 days of the month of March where we had to shut down production, and so it has been a good year despite headwinds for Suzuki Motorcycle India. So social distancing is the new normal, and this will be seen in our corporate lives as well as our personal lives as we resume work now. We have charted out a plan on precautions as prescribed by Government of India. The idea is to ensure safety of all our stakeholders, including our employees, our dealers, our suppliers. So there have been detailed discussions of this and detailed guidelines that have been communicated to all our employees, to all our dealerships, and to all our suppliers and vendors and associates with whom we very eagerly look forward to start resuming normal engagement. With respect to the current customers, we have kept our doors open and we are continually taking their feedback during the lockdown as well. In terms of giving relief or being open to their concerns, we have extended the timeline for of warranty of vehicles where the warranty was falling due in the lockdown period, where free services of new vehicles purchased recently were falling due during the lockdown period, and we have extended this for those particular vehicles. We have extended it till June. So that should be appreciated, and we have already received decent feedback and a positive response from our existing customers. Apart from this, we have uploaded information. We are communicating with them about all the upcoming BS6 introductions that could not happen because of the lockdown, and which were slated for end of March and beginning of April. So the whole nation has come together to fight COVID-19 pandemic, and it is our responsibility to support and help each other in these difficult times. We have taken utmost care in preparing ourselves for the post-lockdown commencement of operations, taking suitable measures in terms of precautionary down to installation of small sanitizing zones at the entrance of our factories. Work from home advisories to all our employees and associates have been sent out. In fact, all our head of the departments, our divisional heads, and our HR team members continuously keep in touch with our entire teams, all our employees across the country, both at the headquarters, our plant, and in our field force across the country, and to keep track of how they are doing and to ensure their well-being, and actively proactively seeking information of any support that may be required in these difficult times by our employees or their family members. So thank you very much. Thank you once again for giving me an opportunity to interact with you.